Hmm. What's in the hand? Like a piece of art or something. Oh, wow. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. The Van Halen. Ah, he's got the reflectors in it, too. Get out of here. I saw him making that, man, and I was thinking, oh, that's just bad. That is just bad, man. That's bad. Oh my God, a Frankenstein. This is so awesome. Oh man. Oh, I love the way he makes these knives. That's got like a spider symbol in the middle of it. Okay, we can't show that to Orion. I want Orion to have this. This is mine. This is Poppy's. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Holy crap, dude. One of a kind Eddie Van Halen Frankenstein knife.